Hi, to scan documents on your POCO X7 Pro, first thing first, swipe up to enable your app drawer and here find this Google Drive app. After that, you need to tap this button New and here choose to scan. And if you're using this app for the first time, you need to allow some permissions and then you should see this display. So from auto capture, I suggest you to switch to manual because as you can see, it's working really fast. So you just need to point the camera at the document and it would be immediately scanned. I don't like this, so let's just go back and switch to manual. Now make sure all of the document is within the frames. And now you can press this camera shutter button to actually take a photo, and here it is. You can crop it and rotate if needed, and you can tap apply. Here you can add new document, you can add some filters, you can also clean something on your document. For example, I will try to clean my nail and it's working. So let's try this out one more time. As you can see, it's just removing not needed objects, and yep, it just removed my whole nail, which is impressive. Let's tap apply. And now, if you're satisfied with changes, tap done button. If no, tap retake. I'm gonna tap done, and next thing we can do is give it a name. So just enter something you want to. I'm gonna use random letters. And now choose format. We got either PDF or JPEG. I want to choose PDF. And now you need to select location of this file. So just swipe left to check the right folder. And I'm gonna select my drive and then tap save. And now we just scanned document and additionally saved it as PDF file. So you can go in your folder, tap on the document and immediately view it. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.